I guess I'm starting the Alta Via too, right now. How about that? Oh yay, it's raining. Really raining. Great start to the AV2. Another 4,000 feet straight up the mountain. "3,000 feet to go." "2,000 feet. Wow, well that was quite the way to start off a hike from 1,800 feet up to 8,000 feet. Big old climb. I think that's the biggest sustained climb on the AV2, so that's good. Hey cows. Alright. First sign for the AV2. All right. And yep, there's the gondola. Gonna save me. This is so good. It's the reward for suffering through and making it up that first big climb that really was not exciting, but it led to this. and this is awesome. Good morning. That is our pass. Looks pretty steep from here. We'll see how it looks up close. Getting close. Definitely a steep, crumbly old pass. That's for sure. Almost to the top. All right. Whew, we made it. There's our next pass, right up there. Well, I think we are gonna be flattening out here pretty soon. Follow the trail around and up on this shelf for a while. Hoping to find water soon. It's been completely dry, both sides of these two passes, and I am definitely in water conservation mode. Finally got ourselves a little bit of water. Water with a view. So this is where we get to go next. The trail loops around, goes to that pass, and just stays up on this bench until about there, then goes up another pass. Pretty cool. Alright, I think it's pasta time. That was some pretty good pasta. Clouds are definitely building. Already had one thunderstorm come through, and it's supposed to get worse this afternoon. Don't really want to go up high where the trail goes next. Tonight's accommodation. Headed down into town, hitched a ride, and just waiting out the thunderstorms, and also finally getting to do that shower and laundry that I didn't after finishing the AV1 and going straight to the AV2. So definitely needed a shower.